Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's full tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up recurring payments using Stripe in 2026, step by step. This is perfect for subscriptions, memberships, SaaS, or digital products. By the end, you will know how to create plans, automate billing, and start collecting monthly revenue. So let's get started. Step 1, create a Stripe account. Go to the Stripe official website and sign up. Right? So enter your business details, bank account, identity verification, you must complete verification before accepting payments, right? Because Stripe is very much limited to regions, I won't be able to do it, but in your case, you could go ahead in any accepted country basically. If you're in the EU, then you're gonna be able to basically use Stripe, right? And step 2, understand Stripe payment. Stripe uses Stripe billing for subscriptions. This allows you to charge customers automatically, set monthly or yearly plans, manage invoices, handle failed payments. Step 3, create a product. Inside your Stripe dashboard, you can go ahead to product and click add product, right? And enter, of course, the product name, like premium membership, and description. This represents what you're selling. Step 4, add recurring price. Now create the subscription plan. Under your product, click add price, select recurring, and choose the billing period, monthly, yearly, weekly, and set the price. For example, $10 a month, right? This is your subscription model, right? So this is an example here. Okay. Step 5, create a payment link, no code method. You can go out to payment links and click create a payment link, select your product and enable the subscription option. And then customize logo, colors, success page. Now share this link with customers, they can subscribe instantly. Step 6, you can embed checkout on your website. If you have a website, use Stripe checkout or embed payment buttons. Platforms like Shopify, WordPress, custom website. So this creates a seamless checkout experience. Step 7, automate customer access. After payment, you need to give access automatically. You can use webhooks as an advanced method, automation tools, membership platforms. Example, the payment in the payment, user gets access to premium content. Step 8, manage subscriptions. Inside Stripe, you can view active subscribers, cancel subscriptions, upgrade or downgrade plans, and issue refunds. And step 9, handle failed payments. Stripe automatically retries failed payments, sends reminders to customers. You can also enable small retries, add grace periods. This reduces lost revenue. All right. Step 10, set up invoices, which is optional, right? For businesses, you can enable automatic invoices, right? Send receipts, customize branding. Step 11, test before going live. Always test. Right? Enable test mode, use test card numbers, simulate subscriptions. This ensures everything works properly. Step 12, go live. Once everything is solid, switch to live mode, share your payment link, start collecting subscriptions. All right. So the best use cases for recurring payments, you can use this for membership websites, SaaS tools, online courses, premium Telegram groups, digital product subscriptions. So, pro tip here, give offer monthly plus yearly plans, give discounts for annual subscriptions, use free trials to attract users, keep pricing simple, track churn rate. Right. Avoid not testing payments, complicated pricing plans, no cancellation options, ignoring failed payments, poor onboarding. So one last time to rewind, create an account on Stripe, right? Create a product, add recurring price, generate payment links, share with customers, and that you're golden. Right? Setting up recurring payments with Stripe in 2026 is one of the best ways to build predictable monthly income. Once your system is live, it runs automatically, charging customers and managing subscriptions for you. Focus on clear pricing, smooth checkout, strong value. That's how you build a scalable subscription business. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload, and avoid not testing payments, complicated pricing plans, no cancellation option, ignoring failed payments, poor onboarding. So thank you for watching, and we will definitely see you. Yeah, share this video with a friend, right? They might actually need it. So until next time, see you.